courageous. Every day, he searched for work in the market and earned honestly. Though poor, he never lost hope, showing that true strength comes from believing in oneself. One day, Aladdin met a mysterious magician who sent him into a cave to bring out a magical lamp. Brave as he was, Aladdin bravely entered the cave and found the lamp. After cleaning it, a genie appeared in the cloud of smoke. The genie told Aladdin that he was now the owner of the lamp and could ask for anything he wished. Aladdin first asked the genie to build a grand castle for him and make him the prince. Using magic, the genie fulfilled all of his desires. Every time Aladdin wished, the genie obediently carried out his commands. At that time, a great event happened.
دي بركة كعب وهتعملها وصعب الدنيا هتقولها وخد بقى عهد تعدلها سكت كتير خدت ايه مصر بسكوتة ما تستخسرش فيها صوتة بتكتب بكرة بشروطة دي بشرة خير وبنادي عالصعيدي وابن اخوك البورسعيدي والشباب الاسكندراني لما دي لمت رجال وانا هاجي مع السوهاجي والقناوي والسيناوي والمحلاوي اللي مية مية والنوبة الجمال ما توصيش السويسة الدنيا هايصة كده كده والاسماعيلاوية يا مكان والعيدة كلمني عالشرقوة واحنا ويا بعض قهوة واحنا ويا بعض قهوة وأملنا كبير يا الصعيدي وابن أخوك البورسعيدي والشباب الاسكندراني لما دي لمت رجال وانا هاجي مع السوهاجي والسيناوي والمحلاوي اللي مية مية والنوبة الجمال ما توصيش السويسة الدنيا هايصة كده كده والاسماعيلاوية يا مكان والعيدة كلمني عالشرقوة واحنا ويا بعض قهوة واحنا ويا بعض قهوة وأملنا كبير
Aladdin met the princess of the town. While she was passing through the market with her wreaths and jewels, a group of thieves stolen the treasure of princess. Aladdin bravely defeated the thieves and returned the jewel to the princess. Impressed by his honesty, courage, the princess agreed to marry him. The king entered. The king daughter would become the next queen. Everyone was happy except the magician, who grew jealous and demanded that the king transfer his powers to him. The king and the people refused. Enraged, the magician used his magic to make them all the statue of the stone. He stole the crown and declared himself the king of the kingdom, and demanding that the princess would become his queen. Aladdin, devoted to the princess and full of goodness, commanded the genie to defeat the magician and punish him for his deceit. Using magic, the genie obediently obeyed his master. The magician was defeated, and the true king was restored. He made her daughter the queen and announced that Aladdin and the princess will get married and live happily ever after.
دي بركة كعبة وهتعملها قصاد الدنيا هتقولها وخد بقى عهد تعدلها سكت كتير.
The story shows
مصر بسكوتك ما تستخسرش
that with self-determination, courage,
بشرة خير
a person can achieve the impossible.
سعيدي والشمس اسكندراني لما دي لمة رجال وانا هاجي مع السوهاج